Welcome to our channel. Today we are comparing two popular air fryers, the Chefman Digital Air Fryer and the Air Fryer. We'll be evaluating them based on different categories to help you choose which one is best for you. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing reviews. Let's get started. When it comes to versatility, the Chefman Air Fryer is a clear winner. It can air fry, bake, dehydrate, rotisserie, or roast. On the other hand, the air fryer has 9 preset modes, which may limit your cooking options. So our pick for this category is the Chefman Air Fryer. Both air fryers use rapid air heating elements to cook fast, but the air fryer has a 1550W high power, which makes it 30% faster than the Chefman Digital Air Fryer. If you are looking for quick cooking times, then the air fryer is a better option. Both air fryers make healthy meals using less oil than traditional fryers, but the Chefman Digital Air Fryer uses 98% less oil than traditional fryers, making it a healthier option. Therefore, the Chefman Digital Air Fryer is the clear winner for healthy cooking. The Chefman Digital Air Fryer has a capacitive touch control screen and 17 preset options, which makes it easier to use, especially for new home cooks. The air fryer has a large digital screen with 9 preset modes, but may not be as user-friendly, so our pick for this category is the Chefman Digital Air Fryer. The Chefman Digital Air Fryer has a larger capacity than the air fryer and can make meals for the whole family. On the other hand, the air fryer can fit a family of 2 to 4 people with its 4-quart capacity. So, our pick for this category depends on your family size. Choose the Chefman Digital Air Fryer for larger families and the air fryer for smaller families. Both air fryers have dishwasher-safe parts, but the Chefman Digital Air Fryer has a removable drip tray, which makes cleaning easier. Therefore, the Chefman Digital Air Fryer is the better option for easy cleaning. The Chefman Digital Air Fryer is priced at USD $119, while the air fryer is priced at USD $79. If you are on a budget or looking for an affordable option, the air fryer is the clear winner. There you have it, folks. The Chefman Digital Air Fryer and the air fryer both have their own unique features. It ultimately depends on your preferences and requirements. Thank you for watching our video, and we'll see you in the next one.